And roll sound is the red button.
And
Push record.
who's our camera operator?
Alright. Ready? Okay, now one thing that you want to do when you're recording with this is you've seen those like movie slates, right?
Yeah.
Obviously we don't have one. So what we have to do is ask our interviewee to clap right in front of his face.
Okay.
Just let me know when.
Did you? There you go.
Okay. What is your favorite type of pizza?
My favorite type of pizza has probably got to be meat lovers.
That is a good type of pizza. What is a life experience you have had with pizza?
One time I was making some pizza because it was a Friday night. It was very chill and relaxing. I put it in the oven and I thought I had set a timer. I went downstairs to see what my mom was up to, and apparently I forgot to set a timer. The pizza burned.